Supper Wednesday? Let's get cooking from skillet to plate. Just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. It's what's for Supper Wednesday.
Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week we're going to be having chicken stuffing casserole. And you'll need 1 pound of chicken. We're actually using chicken breast this week. We'll cut them up into bite-sized pieces. We'll show you that there in just a minute. You'll need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, 1 box of stuffing mix, whatever stuffing mix you want to use, that'd be fine. We went with the chicken flavored this week. You need 1.5 cups of chicken broth. You need a 1/2 cup of milk. You'll need some salt and pepper to season your chicken with. And then you'll need a 9x13 casserole dish. Go ahead right now and preheat your oven to 375 because this should come together pretty quick. Now we cut this up here into bite-sized pieces. Now this here is just a little bit over a pound, but hey, more meat be better. Alrighty, now I'm going to set you over here and we'll get the soup out. Alrighty, as you can see, I've salted and peppered the chicken, and I went ahead and sprayed some cooking oil down inside. We didn't want nothing sticking in the bottom. Now I'll just gather this up here, and as you can see on the cutting board, there's still some pepper. I'll kind of rub that around, make sure it's all seasoned up real good, and then we'll put that in and start on the next process. Alrighty. Now we've got the chicken. Let me pull you over here to the light a little bit. We've got the chicken in there. You want to make sure it's single layered. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our 2 cans of cream chicken soup, put it in a bowl, and put in our 1/2 cup of milk, and mix that together good, and then we're going to pour that on top. We're getting closer, folks. As you can see, we got it poured in there. Now we're just going to mix that, combine it together. We get that done, I'll show you pouring it on the chicken. I've about got it mixed together here. Now, we're just going to take this and pour it onto the chicken here. Talking about a comfort food. Now this here, the kitchen will be smelling like Thanksgiving here shortly. Of course, there goes my phone. Sorry about that, guys. Now, just take your whisk. Try to smooth that out on there. I went ahead and went with the chicken thigh, or the chicken breasts. Chicken thighs may have been a little bit too runny when it baked. Alrighty. Now let me set this over here in the sink. Run a little bit of water in it there. Now what we're going to be doing, we get our stuffing mix. Alrighty, now just take our stuffing mix, sprinkle that on top. Then you just take your hand, kind of get it all around. We don't want to gyp anybody with stuffing. Sound like Daniel when they're coughing. Alrighty. Now, all we're going to do now, we're going to take our chicken broth, just pour it around on there. Try not to make a mess. Want it all moistened. And then what we're going to do, we're going to get some tin foil and place on here. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Then what we'll do, we'll get that back out, take the foil off of it, and then we'll bake it for an additional 15 minutes. Let me go get the foil. Alrighty, we got it tightly covered. Get ready to place it into the oven. Set it for 30 minutes. And then we'll get it out and let it finish cooking the additional 15 without the foil. And then we'll be eating. Alrighty. This here's after 30 minutes. We took the tin foil off. Now we're going to place it back in the oven for 15 more minutes and we'll check it then. Alrighty, we got it out. You can hear it bubbling there. I'm going to let it sit there for just a few minutes before I get them to try it out. We don't want to burn them up. Alrighty, here it is. Chug, Dan. Now careful, it may still be extremely hot. I don't know.
A little bit of everything. It looks hot. Hot. Delicious.
That is really good.
Very delicious.
Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.